Okay, in the last video you saw how to go to Wordpress.com and create a user account, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get going with WordPress, because in your mind map you have to have two things. You have to search for a blog that's relative to your topic, and then you have to also create a WordPress blog, which I think some people were a little confused about. Once you're in your account, you'll see a place somewhere to register a new blog. Your button may look slightly different than mine because I'm already in my account, but you need to create an actual blog. So this is where it takes you to this page right here. One thing you should know is once you name it, you can't change it. You'd have to basically delete it and register a new blog. So for this example, I'm just going to say things for sale. Things, I'm going to put it for sale.wordpress.com, and sorry, but things for sale is already registered as a blog. See, it tells you right to the right whether it's available. I'll throw a couple numbers in there, and it took it. Not that I would name it that, but you get the point. You have to have something original. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a blog that I've already created. Actually, let's start a new one. Let's do this things for sale one. I'm going to select public for this blog, and I'm going to say create blog. It's that easy. We just created our own website. Now with a blog you can do a lot of different things as far as how it looks. So I'm going to say, see, it tells me it's mine. I'm going to say visit my dashboard, and they have all kinds of templates that you can create to create a different look for your blog. So got to remember how to do it. Here it is down here in the lower left hand corner where it says appearance, and there are hundreds of different templates to choose from, and the templates give you a different look, and you just read about them and make sure that the look is something that you think is gonna work for you. And in this one, bueno, I like it, so I'm just gonna hit activate. And instantly my blog now is gonna look like this. And I can visit the site right here to see what it looks like. I haven't really added anything to it yet, but it's going to look like this when I'm ready to edit it and add images and whatnot. To get back to your dashboard, you would just go up to this button that says My Blogs. Come down to, in this case, this is called My Blog because I haven't really named it yet. And I would click Dashboard. Your dashboard is basically how you post new content and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new post right here and say new page. And then I just title the page. Let's say you're doing sharks. Eric Chevette's doing sharks, so he would just name anything he wanted to talk about. Now what is a blog? It's somebody who's just talking about a subject and posting new additions to the blog on a fairly regular basis, because people subscribe to blogs and they want to know what you have to say. So if the topic is nanotechnology, you would see blogs every day about nanotechnology and develops in nanotechnology. To add a photo, I would click right here, add an image. By the way, here is add a video, music, add media button in general, and then add a poll. You could actually take a survey on your blog. So right now we'll go add an image. We'll select a file. I'll pick this one right here of me and Peanut. And it'll just take a few seconds here to upload. Then we have to click on a button here that says Insert Image. So I just page down a little bit. Yeah, here it is. Insert into post. And there it is in my post. Now with a YouTube video, sometimes you don't see the video here in this kind of preview page. When you're creating the post, you have to come over and hit publish and then go back to your blog to see the video. So don't get lost with that. Sometimes you want to add a video to your blog, but most of the time it's just a lot of talking. Just a lot of talking about a given subject. And for your project, you have to create at least a page and then grab the URL up here by clicking once and copying, and create a hyperlink to your mind map. And yes, your information should be relative to your project. You can't just type what I typed. So let me show you how to add a video, just so you know. Same type of situation. You click add a video, and I'm going to go to YouTube real quick. Here it is, and let's pull down my videos in YouTube. And here's that last one I did on Craigslist. So if I click that, I just come up here, grab the URL by copying, coming back to my page, and now where are you going to grab the video from? From your computer if it's uploaded. In this case, I'm grabbing it from my URL from YouTube. And there's instructions there if you need them, but really it's just a copy and paste situation if you're coming from YouTube. And then insert into post. And notice it does not show me my video. It's just sitting there as a URL code. There's nothing wrong. It's working just fine. I got to come over here to the right and click on publish. Once I do that, it'll give me the option. It'll say, would you like to view your page now up here? And I could say yes by clicking on it. And then here's my blog, photo of me, some random typing, and this crazy video did make it in there. And people can leave replies and they can talk to you through blogs. Now you would simply copy this up here and paste it into your MindOmo map. So you can change the template, by the way. You can't change the name of your site once you create it, but you can change the template as often as you'd like. So how would you do that? You would just come back to My Blogs, find the one that you created, go to the dashboard, and then you would go to Appearance. The one downfall of using blogs is you are going to have, here's a very different looking one, so I'm going to activate, however you say that, KOI, and then new theme activated, and I'm going to say visit my site. And now look at this, it looks a lot different. So you can get a lot of variety going. And here's the page I created, Sharks. You can also edit the main page as well, but this is the Sharks page and how it looks on this nice, a little bit more feminine website. But you're creating your own website for free. You can have videos, text, photos, music. People can subscribe to it. So it's really cool for free. The downfall is it is going to say Wordpress.com at the end of whatever you title it. I don't think that's a really big deal personally, to get a website that's working and people can look at. So get those WordPress blogs done and make sure you have hyperlinks into your MindOmo map, and we'll see you on Thursday. If you do get done with your mind maps, then by all means proceed with posting your Craigslist stuff, and don't forget to ask your folks, those of you who didn't bring anything, it would be great if you would participate, because if you don't participate, we're not going to let you eat anything at the party. We're going to put you in a corner. No, I'm just kidding. But we do encourage you to participate. Bye.